Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Td3 and getting audio and MIDI physically routed. Plug the Td3 audio output into an audio interface input. Keep levels low to avoid clipping. Then connect MIDI. If your Td3 supports USB MIDI, use that. Otherwise, use a MIDI DIN cable through a MIDI interface. Once cables are secure, open Ableton and make sure the audio interface is selected as the input device, so Ableton can receive the incoming audio signal. Now you configure Ableton so it communicates with the Td3. In Preferences Audio, choose your audio interface and set buffer to 128/256 samples for stable monitoring. Next, in Preferences Link/MIDI, enable the Td3 MIDI port for track and remote so you can send and receive notes and CC. Create one audio track to record the Td3 output and one MIDI track only if you plan to send sequence data. Arm the audio track and choose the correct input channel from your interface. Finish by syncing and recording. If you want the Td3 sequencer to follow Ableton, enable external sync or set MIDI clock out. Otherwise, record its audio directly. Arm the audio track, set monitoring to in or auto, and hit record. Make sure input gain is correct and tempo is matched. If you get no audio or MIDI, recheck cables, confirm the Td3 and Ableton use the same MIDI channel, verify the audio interface input routing, and increase the buffer briefly to rule out dropouts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.